This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring the controller has enough power so pairing won't drop mid-process. Plug it in or confirm battery 50%, then press and hold the power button for 3-5 seconds to wake it. Once active, enter pairing mode by holding the pair button until the LED flashes rapidly. This signals Bluetooth advertising. Make sure nearby devices have Bluetooth enabled and are discoverable, because once the controller advertises, you'll move directly into selecting it from your device list. You now open Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet, or console and start a scan. When the controller name appears, tap it to pair. If prompted, accept the pairing dialog or enter the common PIN 0000 or 1234. Once paired, the LED typically becomes steady or changes color to confirm connection. If your device asks to assign controller profiles, choose the gamepad option. Once done, test basic inputs in a controller test screen or a simple app to verify. Finish by calibrating and customizing settings. Map buttons if your platform allows and run a quick input test to catch drift or dead zones. If behavior seems off, make sure firmware is current by using the manufacturer's updater app. Updates often fix connectivity and responsiveness. If the controller won't pair or is unstable, perform a factory reset by holding power and pair for 10-15 seconds, then retry pairing. Remember this single troubleshooting tip. Toggle Bluetooth on the host device after a reset to clear cached pairings before repairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.